Can't be difference between human and people.
Oh, chathintoni nakanini? Isadlibala izinto ezivalwe nezikolo.
Indoni i-motorsport, iyindoni i-G-sport.
Madithi motorsport sazimoto ufika isport imoto. I-G-sport ekuzibambula nansi phambi kwethu siyibona. I-G-sport.
Abantu bayibona i-G-sport nxa khayicaca kuba yindoni.
I-G-sport ayimoto race, imotorsport imoto race.
So i-G-sport yindoni?
Imoto race.
I-G-sport imoto race.
Yes.
Can you explain umahluko between i-G-sport ne-motorsport?
Yeah, ndicana.
Indoni i-G-sport?
Ndizodi. Ndiyazi.
Indoni i-motorsport?
Naye ndiyazi.
I-G-sport ne-motorsport, can you explain?
I-motorsport ngathi into ehambayo, G-sport andiyazi.
Zanga weva nge-G-sport. Motorsport ne-G-sport?
Nobe motorsport kasengicinga indawo ekudlalwa kuyo uqhuba kanje ngemoto. I-G-sport azange ndava ngayo.
And then what is a human flesh?
Human flesh. Umuntu ongumama osaphilileyo, ose-fresh.
So the human flesh.
Human flesh. Awuthi human flesh wena human fresh.
Human flesh.
Human flesh. Ndiyazi.